How to add an EBT card to Sam's Club app. So first of all, download and log in to the latest version of Sam's Club, and then you're gonna need to go to the main checkout page. Now for most people, EBT card is not available, but for some people it is available on the main checkout page, which you can simply click on it and then follow the on-screen instructions by entering your details. But as I said, for most people the EBT card option is not available in the app. So some people say that this only work while you are in store using scan and go, and you cannot add an EBT card at home. Whether you are using application or online, you must be inside a physical store. It's not official statement, but this is what many people are saying. When they are inside the store, they can add an EBT card in the checkout process, but on the application or online you cannot add an EBT card on the checkout page. So if you have available, you can simply enter your details and you're good to go. So hope this helped. This is how you can add EBT card to Sam's Club app.